Hello everyone, in this video, I will walk you through the key features of the passport module. Before applying the passport module, make sure that your nodal has created your workflow. As you can see in the preview for passport IC, the workflow has been created. So, you can apply for passport IC. Same for the passport NOC and passport intimation. Workflow creation is important through the nodal. Without this, you cannot apply for passport IC. Now, we will log in as an employer. And from there, I will show you how to apply for passport intimation. Click on Employee Service and click on Passport Module. Click on Intimation. All the details will be fetched from the default profile and will be displayed. Enter your regional passport office and your current present address. You can also check the details of the form by clicking on Preview. You can check and click on Submit button. After submission, you will get the option of e-sign in passport intimation. The e-sign is mandatory at the user level. So, as soon as you click on the e-sign, it will navigate you to the CDAC site and fill your Aadhaar card number and OTP. After that, it will be shown in the tabular format. By clicking on the Action button, you can also download your passport intimation letter. You can also check the authentication of your passport from the e-HRMS portal by copying the Pre-request number and clicking on the link to check the same status. Click on the Submit button and the letter will be downloaded to your account. You can also track requests by clicking on the Action button. The request that has been sent in the workflow will be visible to you. Now, let's see how to apply the NOC. All the details are fetched from the profile itself. You just need to simply click on the Submit button, or if you want to preview, you can preview it. If the user has not uploaded the picture, a file upload option will be provided. You can preview the details. Click on the Submit button. A successful message will be displayed and the same information is shown in the tabular form. You can also check the preview by clicking on the Action button. You can also cancel the request if you want to track your request. Now, let's see how to apply for the passport identity certificate. Click on the Apply IC button. Before applying for the passport identity certificate, make sure that you have added your family details in the profile. You have also approved it with nodal. After that, options for self and self with family will be available. Click on the Submit button. After submission, you will see the status submitted by the employer. In the same way, you can check the preview, track request and cancel. You can cancel the request until your request has been forwarded to the next level in the workflow. For passport intimation, e-sign by the applicant is mandatory to submit the claim. And for the NOC and IC, the final approver or issuing officer will e-sign your request. Passport intimation is just for informing the department that you are applying for a passport. Thank you.